Welcome back, everyone. This is the 18th and final installment in the series of pictures from our trip to Japan. Within this playlist, I'll also upload videos that we took on our GoPro, which have not been included in the first 18 videos. Anyways, hope you enjoy. We were both really sad to be headed home this day. We left a postcard and a sticker for the guy running the hotel, then made our way to the train station. The skies were a bit more clear this day, so we made sure to get a few more shots of Fuji-san on our way out. The bus ride also offered fleeting glimpses. We rode the liner bus from Fujikawaguchiko back to Mishima, then the shinkansen from Mishima to Tokyo. I got a few last stamps at Tokyo Eki before we hailed a cab for the airport. The trains would have been cheaper, but we didn't want to chance missing our flight if we got things wrong. Plus, it was a good way to see the city one last time versus going underground. We got some oversized onigiri at the airport, checked out a bookstore, then waited for our plane. We were really sad to go, but knew it was time to return to reality. We'll be back someday and visit other cities, meet more people, eat more food. If there's anything you want to know more about, put it in the comments below. Be sure to check out my other videos about the trip, like and subscribe for more.